Welcome to today's video, where we dive into a common problem many of us face using a treadmill with a broken display panel. We'll be exploring a Python script designed to track running data while on a treadmill, utilizing GPIO pins on a Raspberry Pi. The script calculates speed based on the revolutions of the treadmill belt, all while keeping time at the forefront of its operations. Now, let's delve into the solution that was implemented to address this issue. By incorporating threads, the program was able to synchronize the timing accurately, ensuring that the display shows real-time running data. Through the use of functions like display, rev_counter, and results, the script is able to capture and process the necessary information seamlessly. The implementation of buttons and threads guarantees the efficient tracking of pace and distance, making the workout experience more effective and enjoyable. In summary, the Python script provides a clever workaround for monitoring running data on a treadmill with a broken display. By utilizing GPIO pins and threads, the program accurately calculates speed, distance, and pace in real time, enhancing the user's workout experience. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment with your thoughts or any running tips you may have. Thanks for watching, and happy running!